More than a decade after the 2014 science fiction drama PK triggered protests across India for highlighting the commercialization of faith, Amir Khan is back at the center of a political storm this time, well, not for the film, but for his personal life. The actor has reportedly married his partner, Gauri Spratt, in a private ceremony in Mumbai. This is the 61-year-old actor's third marriage, while earlier he was married to his childhood sweetheart, Reena Datta, and then to filmmaker Kiran Rao. He divorced the latter in 2021. His latest marriage has triggered a fresh love jihad row, with Maharashtra Minister Nitesh Rane calling Amir a brand ambassador for it.
देखिए कौन किसके शादी में जाना चाहिए उसका मुझे संबंध नहीं, मगर जो हिंदू धर्म के युवा उनको सेलिब्रिटी मानते हैं, उन्होंने इनसे क्या प्रेरणा लेना चाहिए इस बारे में सोचने का सच्ची में वक्त आ गया है। इस तरीके की जब सेलिब्रिटी अपनी ज़िंदगी के बारे में कोई डिसीजन लेते हैं तो हिंदू समाज ने इसके बारे में सोचना चाहिए, ऐसे मानने वाला मैं हूँ। लव जिहाद के ब्रांड एम्बेसडर तो आमिर खान बनते नहीं जा रहे।
Bajrang Dal workers have also taken to the streets in Bihar's Forbesganj, with protesters burning an effigy of the actor, raising slogans against him and repeating the same allegation.
Amir Khan murdabad! 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 Amir Khan jihadi Bharat choro! Bharat choro! Bharat choro! Amir Khan jihadi Bharat choro! Bharat choro!
Now, this isn't the first time Amir Khan has clashed with right-wing groups. And also, this is not the first time Bajrang Dal has taken on Bollywood. The group has a long history of protesting against films it considers offensive in Hindu sentiments. Back in 2017, Bajrang Dal joined the Karni Sena in demanding a ban on Padmavati, which later released as Padmavat, over its portrayal of Rajput Queen Rani Padmavati, sparking protests and violence across several states. And in 2014, Amir Khan's film PK, which questioned blind faith and the commercialization of religion, drew similar backlash. Bajrang Dal and the Vishwa Hindu Parishad accused it of hurting Hindu sentiments. Protests broke out in several cities, yet PK went on to become one of Bollywood's biggest box office hits. Amir Khan also became the target of Hindu right-wing groups when in 2015, he shared his growing disquiet against the rise of intolerance in the country and said that his then wife, Kiran Rao, has suggested that they should leave the country. Now, more than a decade later, Amir finds himself at the center of an ideological debate, once again this time over who he chose to marry, not what he played on screen. The term love jihad itself remains politically loaded. It's used by some political leaders and right-wing groups to allege that Muslim men marry Hindu women as part of an organized effort to convert them. But courts, including the Supreme Court, have not recognized it as a legal category, and investigations into several such cases have found no evidence of any organized conspiracy. Neither Amir Khan nor Gauri Spratt has responded publicly to the allegations. For now, what started as a personal milestone for the actor has disturbingly turned into a national talking point.